Hello students, today I am going to tell you how to construct an angle of 75 degrees with the help of a compass. So let's start. First of all, you must keep in mind that how can we get an angle of 75 degrees. You can see 75 can be written as 60 plus 15. That means firstly we have to construct an angle of 60 degrees with the help of a compass, then 15 degree extra we need. So let's start. We will first draw a line of any measurement. I have drawn a line here. I will put a compass at the starting point. Name it as A. Put a compass at A. Take a small arc. The first arc is known as 60 degrees. Second arc will be of 120. Double of 60 will be 120. Now increase it or just use like that. Move above and this arc is this one. If you are going to join this arc with this point, you will get an angle of 90 degrees. This is how I have constructed 90, but we don't need 90, we need 75. So the first arc, this one, is of 60. If you are going to join this with here line, this will be of 60 degrees. But we need 30 extra. So this much is 60. From here to here is 60 and this much measurement is now 30. How to construct the bisector of 30? We will draw another arc from taking from this point and from this point. Okay, you can increase it as well. Arcs are cutting somewhere here. I'll join this line. Darken it. This is how angle A. This is already A, so this will be let BAC. So BAC is now 75 degrees. Suppose we need to bisect an angle of 75, means 75 का हाफ करना है. So ये जो लाइन जा रही है एंगल की 75 जो बना रही है, इस लाइन से अगर आप फ्रॉम दिस लाइन ये आर्क, यहाँ पे कोई भी आर्क आप यहाँ से पॉइंट ले लो और यहाँ से लेके आप दूसरा आर्क ड्रॉ करोगे. सो वी विल गेट द बाइसेक्टर ऑफ दिस एंगल. दिस इज टोटल 75. तो इस 75 का ही हम बाइसेक्टर अगर चाहते हैं तो इस पॉइंट से दिस पॉइंट, लेट इट नेम एज P और इसका नाम दे देते हैं Q. तो PQ से अनदर आर्क लोगे, सो यू विल गेट द बाइसेक्टर ऑफ 75. From here P and after Q. This is how I got the arcs cutting each other. Join this line. You will get the bisector of 75. Now let us draw an angle of 105. Now how can we get angle of 105? You can see 105 can be written as 90 plus 15. That means firstly we will construct an angle of 90 degree as we have drawn here, and then extra more 15 we need to from this side we will take extra angle of 15 degree. Likewise I have taken this side because this is total 90. This arc is of 60 degrees. 60 है, this is double of 60. 60 ये पूरा 120 होगा. अगर आप यहाँ से लाइन ड्रॉ कर लोगे तो 120 मिल जाएगा. ठीक है, तो लेकिन ये 60 और ये 60 बीच में जो ये 90 है इसको 30 पे डिवाइड कर रहा है. ये 30 है, ये 30 है. तो इस 30 का बाइसेक्टर मैंने खींचा था फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट एंड फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट. इन दोनों से मैंने ये बाइसेक्टर खींचा था. इसी तरह से इसका 30 का बाइसेक्टर कैसे करेंगे? इस पॉइंट से लेके एंड इस. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. Draw a line segment of any length. Name it as P, name it as Q. Same way like we done above. We have done it earlier. So we'll do the same thing here. Construct an angle of 90 degrees first. First arc is of 60. Double of 60 will give you 120. This moving up will give you an angle of 90 degrees. Join this. We don't need 90. We need more than 90, 15 extra. So this is a line for your 90. Now from this point and this, we draw the bisector of this. This much part is 30. This much is 30. 30 का bisector. Draw another arc and then join this. After joining this angle RPQ, you will name it as like this, angle RPQ. This is 105. So this is total arc is of 105. I'm showing you. You don't have to overwrite like again and again. So this image is of 105. Suppose we need 150. So ये आपका 120 दे रहा था. 120 में आपको 150 कैसे मिलेगा? 150 में आपको 120 में 30 ऐड करोगे. सो ये स्ट्रेट लाइन को पहले हम एक्सटेंड कर दें. लेट मी कंप्लीट 150 हियर ओनली. सो ये स्ट्रेट लाइन मैंने एक्सटेंड की. ठीक है, ये 120, तो ये 120 का ट्रिपल 60, 120, 180. अभी 180 है, ये 60. We'll cut the bisector of 60. ये 60 हुआ पूरा. 60 का bisector. From this point I'll make an arc here and then again cut this arc. These two arcs are cutting here. Now draw a line. I have drawn a line. Name it as, this is P, this is Q. Let it be S. So SPQ, angle SPQ is of 150 degrees. In this way we can draw 75 degree was the first one. This one was 90 and then I made here 105 and the final is 150. Thank you.